Good morning. Today is a very exciting day because I'm gonna be doing some DIY lash extensions, and I'm super excited about it because y'all know I used to wear strip lashes all the time. I used to do another DIY lash extensions back in the day all the time by, I think, Kris, and they were like individual little clusters. And they lasted about 5 days or whatever, but those were on top of the lash, and I'm gonna try something different today that goes under the lash. So I'm a little bit nervous because I've never tried to glue anything underneath the lash before, but it's supposed to stay for at least 5 days, but some people it lasts up to a week. And I have a vacation coming up soon. I know you're probably tired of me saying it, but I just wanted to feel cute without makeup on. And the way that I feel cute without makeup on is lashes. Luckily, I have my eyebrows microbladed. So if I just had some eyelashes and then some lip gloss and no makeup on the beach, that's a cute look. So I was thinking about lash extensions. Long story short, realized, hello, that's way too expensive. I can't be spending that money. So I found a cheaper alternative thanks to my friend who has a friend who used them, and so she suggested them to me, and I went straight away and I bought them. This is not sponsored, you guys. I bought this with my own money. I literally paid for the fast shipping because I wanted it to be here quick, because what I'm doing is a test run. I'm going to test run. I have 2 weeks till vacation, and I'm doing a test run before so that I can get a feel for how to put them on and like see how they last and see how I like them before I wear them on my vacation. I don't want to wear them for the first time on vacation, and what if I don't like them? You know what I mean? So I'm doing a test run. This is the brand Flutter Habit. How cute is this packaging? It is a light pink with cheetah. I mean, freaking meant for me, right? This is so cute. These are Luxe Faux Mink eyelashes. It includes 6 pairs. 6 pairs, you guys, which are supposed to last you for 5 days each. And so you get a total of a whole month's supply in here. And guess how much this was? $29.99. That's why I went and bought it ASAP, because I was like, $29.99 for a whole month? My calculations say, hell yeah, that's an affordable deal. And you guys know that this channel is all about affordability. So I picked the style The Flirt. They have a few different styles. They have the classic, the shorties, the happy medium, the wink, and the flirt. So they have 5 different styles. I went with the flirt, which is actually the most dramatic, but it just looked like it was gonna look good on my eye shape. So these are a little bit different than ones that I've done before because these are in segments. So they're in 4 pieces. It might be hard for you to see, but they're in 4 different segments. And so you glue them on in segments. They're meant to be glued underneath the lash, and they should last up to 5 days. Now, what they said is if like one of the segments comes loose, just glue it back, and then you can make that whole set last another day or 2. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I did have to buy the glue, but what's awesome about glue is like you're not gonna have to buy this for like another 6 months. So this was like, what, $6? It's really affordable. And this is the Glad Girl Lash Lock, and it's latex free professional adhesive, and it is waterproof, and it's in the black shade. So you're gonna kind of have like an eyeliner effect, which I was also like, that's cute. I think I like that, because really I'm just gonna like have to barely do any makeup on vacation, and I'm all about that. You guys know, like I'm probably gonna put this powder on and like some blush and bronzer and lip gloss, and that's it. And that's gonna take me like less than 5 minutes. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be putting these on now. I haven't done any skincare. I have a clean washed face, and that's what it suggests that you do the makeup on, is a clean face. So you're gonna need your lashes, you're gonna need your glue, and you're gonna need some tweezers. I have these kinds of tweezers that are angled, and I have needle nose tweezers, which I usually prefer to do lashes with. I don't know which one I'm gonna really like better for this. I'm just nervous that I'm not going to be able to do it right because I've never done under the lashes before. So what they say, you want to curl your lashes first. So I'm going to clean my lash curler though, because it's got like a bunch of gunk on it. These are just some makeup wipes that I found at Dollar Tree by Global Beauty Care. It's the vitamin C makeup wipes, and I like keeping these here just like in case I need them for makeup purposes or whatnot. Now I feel like somebody who's never done lashes before probably will have a hard time with this, but I mean, like, other than the fact that I've never done underneath the lashes, I feel confident with it because I've done, you know, DIY lashes and regular lashes so much in my life. I'm not going to show you guys like a ton of footage of me putting on the lashes because I just feel like that's boring, but I'll kind of show you me doing like at least 2 of the segments. Really, I just want to showcase, like, you know, do these last? Is it worth the money? Because I just feel like our world is turning into DIY, and I love that because you're saving money. And I feel bad because I know that people make their money by, you know, working at a salon and doing lashes and all that stuff and doing hair, but it's expensive and we got to save our money. So anything I can do myself, I try to do. You guys know I do my own gel nails and I dye my own hair and all that. So here is one of the segments. This is the inner corner. But yeah, if this actually works, you guys, like, that would be amazing. $30 a month to have beautiful lashes as soon as you wake up. Like, that's insane, okay? All right, I think, to me personally, I think it's smart to start on the inner corner, because then if you have too many lashes and you don't put that inner corner, you know how it's specifically shaped for the inner corner, it's shorter, you'll be in some trouble. So I feel like my eye is small, so I feel like I'm only going to be using 3 of these segments, and there's 4 of them. So first I just took off the glue very gently. There's glue to hold it onto the packaging, so I took that off. And they have 2 types of glue, and they have one in the tube like Duo, and they have one like this. I watched a lot of tutorials before buying this, you guys. I wanted to make sure that it was something I wanted to try, because obviously I spent 40 bucks on this because of the glue and the shipping, and I really wanted to make sure that it was something that I was gonna like. So I watched a lot of reviews. I heard really good reviews on it. And did I put this on the wrong side? Oh my God, I put the glue on the wrong side. I hate myself right now. Okay, while I'm waiting for the glue to dry, I'm going to curl my lashes with a clean curler. And like, this brand has YouTube videos to help you guys. I watch them to like look for tips and tricks. So I think that's pretty cool that they do that. Super curled, look at that. I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Do you think it's tacky yet? Let's see. I'm gonna try, we're gonna try it. So they said, let me turn you guys. They said to lift and then place it down. And like, I feel like I don't like to go all the way to the inner corner. So I feel like I'm gonna go, let's see. Oh, wow. So you don't want to put it on your skin. You want to get it as close to your lash line as possible, but not touching your skin. It has to be on the lashes, just so you know. Use the back of your tweezers to like make sure that it's there, and like when you place it. Oh, I just realized that I have eye buggies. That's gross. Hey, like, it actually feels comfortable. Wow. I'm like mind boggled right now. By the way, how I took off the lashes is you gently grab it and pull down with your finger. So that's how you take it off to make sure you don't ruin it. Okay, I'm so excited. Like, this feels really promising. I just really hope that this is something that I love. I'm so excited. All right, y'all, here are the lashes. And again, this is the style, the Flirt. I really like them. I'm so glad I chose this one. The other ones are more natural, and I was afraid I wasn't gonna be satisfied with the lash look if it was too natural. So I'm really glad I went ahead for the Flirt. They look so pretty. I'm in love. And, you know, they feel way more comfortable than wearing strip lashes even, which is like awesome. They feel so comfortable. If you put them on correctly, you shouldn't feel anything. I don't feel anything. So, like, I'm just going to be very careful for, like, the next 30 minutes. And, like, try not to touch them and stuff because I want to make sure that the glue really adheres to my lashes. And if you want to see the underside, here's what we look like. This one looks a little better than this one. It was like hard to get that one to be seamless because I was using my left hand, but I like it. And so basically the rest of this video is going to be me checking in with you. So today is day 1 and I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Okay, so we just got back from the pool. We were there for almost 3 hours and it is day 4. It's 5 p.m. I got them wet. I didn't go like underwater, but they definitely got wet and they're looking pretty good for day 4. I have been able to curl them with my lash curler very gently. Every morning I like to do that just so that they're like up, you know? And they don't get stuck and they don't like tug or pull or anything. And day 4, they're looking really good. That one's like separated, but you can't really tell. Like, it looks really good. Okay, so it is day 5 of the lashes and they look really good. They're starting to look like a little, like they have like white crustiness or something. Ew. And these two like separated, but I can put it right back and it looks fine. Honestly, I don't feel like these are gonna fall off today or tomorrow. Like, I feel like they're really on there. So I'm gonna let them ride for as long as I can. But they look really good. And I just get a spoolie, like a clean spoolie every day, and I like brush them out. And I've gone to the pool twice and sat out and sweat and like got water on them, and yeah, they look really good. Also, happy Memorial Day. Hello, good morning. I just woke up about 20 minutes ago, as you can see. I wanted to go ahead and close out this video because last night in the night, 2 of my lash segments came off. It was the inner ones. They were actually hanging on by like a thread. Like, I felt them and it felt weird, so I just kind of like slipped it right off my lashes. Good news is though, I did not lose any of my natural lashes. I'm not having bald spots or anything like that, so that's a really good sign. I didn't feel any tugging. It just like slipped right off. And so, yeah, I'm working with 2 segments per eye, but I want to go ahead and close out this video because it did last the 5 days that it said it was going to last. So I definitely recommend these lashes, you guys. Again, I'm not sponsored. They don't know who I am. I literally spent my own money on this and I just wanted to try them. Excuse me, I'm burping coffee. So I'm going to let these kind of like come out on their own, and then I'm going to reapply a fresh batch of lashes for my vacation because they are Kris approved. So if you have been wanting lash extensions, or if you've had lash extensions before and they're too expensive and whatever else it may be, honestly, try these. And I was thinking to myself, I bought the glue. I would suggest buying the brush tip glue, like the brush on glue. Please buy the brush on. I've heard that the tube glue is not the best, so buy the brush on glue. That's what I used and it works amazingly. It is a black glue. But I was thinking to myself, I have a lot of lashes that like I don't use anymore, just like strip lashes. And if I run out of these lashes, I can totally just cut those into segments and use the glue and have even more lashes. So that's awesome. It's really about the glue more than anything. So yeah, super happy with this turnout. I hope that this video was helpful for you ladies. If this was something that you wanted to try, I'm very satisfied with this. Not once did I feel like, oh, I was like outside and I'm like, oh God, I think my lashes are falling. I didn't look weird or crooked or anything. Like, they were beautiful for the whole 5 days, like I'm telling you. And I, like, long time ago, if you've been a subscriber for a super long time, I used to do the DIY lash extensions with the little clusters, and those would just fall out all the time. With a brisk wind, they would just fall out. So it was very frustrating to have those. And these, I didn't feel frustrated at all. Like, they were on there for the whole 5 days. So anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. You get the idea. I'm super happy with this product. I'm like so happy that I tried it. Like, at 30 bucks for a whole month worth of lashes that you don't have to worry about like until the 5 days are up. Like, you only have to reapply every 5 days. Like, that's freaking awesome. I'm so happy. Anyways, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.